Yes. So where your friend now? Two-piece by the difference. Yeah, my sunglasses are from Michigan Couture, hair by Studios Check Parlor, but body by Mrs. Adorye, 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 Mrs. Adorye.
Mama wakwaba aha GC and page so meeting at the Adorye searching and then it did the kind of the Eshemia. Mesro now was subscribing to my channel. We are now doing sa and me a bell so obey a notification and it's an news at the between me when you be at and as when you be a share. GC and page here. Gifty Empress Adorye a gospel musician ewo Ghana hano na first no friend Gifty or say because na ne kun so for friend no so for say nti ne say name or say and that Gifty ne so nti na friend Gifty or say na aware ne begui a Gifty asanso ababa ware Mr. Hopeson Mr. Adorye Mr. Adorye Hopeson Gifty aware ne sie no Gifty adopted Adorye na Canadian when any Adorye ne de oboa de pa Adorye into offending Gifty Adorye na say come here for some man for say Gifty Adorye oh ya shifted from your ministry to side ukune side chicks no almost so come here for say Hopeson Adorye e was side chicks be bra omo e hunt Gifty Adorye nti Gifty ntumi nya no kra na adofie name say Gifty Adorye na kasa no oye nice lady kakra sorry oye nice lady na America kakra besin e beto social media boom or buy no asa ne hips na yi flat tummy kakra e to kakra nufu kakra yes na den Gifty ade son na sister Gifty wa koye lipo and see lipo na aba ne de Ghana come here koye say celebrities no bebre na ye lipo omo ma news omo ye acting omo oh scan kwa dia lipo no e simple obey na ho ato why nice kama na Gifty Adorye na kasa beji to me sai wa akwakoye lipo section and watch uyi man wana no de agu to na chese oto no eyi nkukumanku a eto de ye na chese nufu nso ejina omo a left nufu ne kakra na chese ona mama kasa utimi say yes oba na okwe na chese ye na ye misked be ye ntu na ye nufu ide na chese ye na so na ye ko na Gifty koye na dia na Gifty koye no to wie why nice mo why nice o boutique am so de ton ni ama why nice but say na Gifty abeja social media my name is Gifty Adorye body by Mr. Adorye hey any Gifty nobody and just some kitu akra or de mama for pressure and a man for so say Gifty untimi my pressure one woman who pressure one woman who pressure na any na say Gifty be a video be edit o internet na sikakra video na e show no and the video ni nsem na Gifty e kire say all mama for pressure yes so ya bo corset on the flat tummy kakra eto kakra nufu kakra and ofe kakra or your Mrs. Adorye na video better on social media na man for say oh na Gifty Adorye so then I watch it and then our person will tell Ghana hand me. He say nobody no akwa ni yehu. Na nobody no akwa ni yen and fire ho. Na untumi so my pressure because and kofu was sika more than the one betting your body no. But they have decided say no. Omo your body. They am the more one no pay. When I open work your body. Now over social media say o say pressure fire because of your body. Yes so pressure then fire. Na sa video na beto na man fa react wo ho mo chese Gifty Adorye jense hu na wudi no kamya kwa esa ware na wote ase wani nje enti bi mu nso bisa say Gifty since akoye wutin Hopeson Adorye wo hu oba bia nhwe ne to da wo hu oba bia ne ho da apart from ware we se sa dia wo hu oba bia ne to da wo hu oba bia nso da apart from ware we dia adenti na wo kasa wo ma ho pressure ayese wo kasa na wuku ho ube just social media na uchuchu na wo de church oh almost was shift I feel me music career no na yenti nsem a Ghana fo ne bi e kan de e Gifty e wa bra or the video no and I say nsem o kan na e beto out
Awara na ati ase no wani nje ye nim se wo hu churu wusu se sa oni ma kofie wase se sa oni ma kofie wo hwe nso na wo hwe na ehwe a
kopa okunu pastor se wache na se bia na obehu mobo na wasena ajo won se sunsuma nyame di ma wa se fa ye adwuma nja na du unhu ba bia ugina so wo wi aso ka ye hu ana so ka won konkoro ho bia ni eja na du obi ani mmero eye na sometimes wo kowura ware bi mu a wo dwen hu ansana wo kowura mu animonyama nyame de chewo emra na hinyamu emra na ahuchire mu no nyame chewo adoma chede na ewen so obi ankai wo bien oh Gifty obi ankai wo bien o chena sesemre mu na matanfo bedwana firi nche obi ankai wo bien die na woje uku ne de onyanja adwamamo no odi ni hu ateda kingdom come ti mami se wo hwe na se enu mmom na ye mami wa ware ready ate wo obi ampe wo namfofo no obi ani mreo ena wo sa bra we ni suban we yeti wo muntire wontima ntira pastor say ho no because pastor say you obi a nyame afre no onim huhu konkrom no onim asafo adwuma eninta wontima nware sofo no wanu se gbegbegbegbegbe o kire na wo ko side chick oni side chick fo eko o mami aware ne yenim se wo su wo bleed mami betena fie woten enye se bia na pastor say wa hu mobo no watena and now who was so and now who you say or china who you say share mommy I will bow ye one say no a year de be a make us same way and crofua it is a sama me or wabo my PSC Esther sama me for no more titi sa no more brom once nyami pejo share onyame pejo mo ani awie da so wonni ma hia firi obi ho na jai so de woda bia na wapema ku obi an o ansema wo kafa wo namfo ho nyina ma me wo boa obi ani mreo right obi ani mreo ena wo tuna wakwakoye no ma me eto be carry wo ye because so person di impress wo kuno obi anfa wo ho sese wani mo nyama kopa obi an kai wo biam ye buwiase ye ne no nyina agina one scale aware no jana ko pa okunu dada ne cho wate na papa ne sunsun na beboa wo na Adorye wanti ana Adorye okunu na Adorye odi cheche enyi ti sese no kwa ne ho dia ahwe ba wanka so be yi uturu mu an be yi uturu mu ai
I find say gospel music artist. We don't know because the kind of lifestyle that you are portraying this kind of days, doesn't speak well of you, and people are not telling the truth. Now let me tell you, your last video now about Obey no take say what I'm TikToker. Your last music, now the camera, for the cameras to take a look at your shape and everything. No, we don't give a fucking damn about that shape that you've bought. We don't give a fucking damn about it. And as a kutiana that you are kutiana the bia bo society, we don't give a fucking damn about it. Let me tell you something. I want to ask you a question. Say, ever since ya, ukoye woto, ukoye uyema, ukonya flat tummy, ukonya big ass, no. I want you to answer me. So since then, ukunu on here about further, ukunu on di about for be over chibi mana. That is what I wanted to ask you. Say, ever since I ukoye woto no, ukunu fa wachi dana, ukunu about for ense pedana. I know, say you did this just to impress your husband. You did this just to look young, to look beautiful to your husband. And I'm asking you a question. Say, since then, no, who couldn't find what you be a man? Who could ever since you married your husband, no, has he been able to be faithful to you, or what me ask stick it to you alone, Anna? Why are you deceiving yourself? And if I find no more pressure. Omo wo mo kutia and say they should go and do your botox na sa Brazilian bat na apa Ghana na fe na Ghana for mo hu na obia so ye na to people are dying here. Sa bat na me and the origin and kasa na free Brazil, people are dying each and every blessed day because of these bad things that they have been doing. The implication on it, you people don't know. Doctors have been giving advices to women that have been doing this. Expiry date kano. Ade bia na enye natural thing bi nyakopon fa ne nsamfa mo be artificial bia no. E we expiry date. E we mu you have to go back to your doctor to work on it. No, you do a lot of things. That is your own cup of tea. But pressure now, what you say, woman, be a pressure gift. You are not giving anybody the pressure. You are giving yourself pressure. Oh, ma wankas, oh, toya, ma wankasa woman. So, ya manaya okra phobia. So, ye ama okra bi, okunum panabi. Oh, ye edia yina hidia, then, oh, how? We want to ask you, Gift Adorye, say, are you still a gospel artist or you dang? Because these days, what than a queen? What shall I say? The last time I could see a boy, I was a bomb pie, man, and me tell Suframa, and then what be ambassador to terrorism, no? And you are not working on it. At least we were expecting you to use your platform, no, to announce, to educate the society the risk involved in terrorist offense activities. But you are not talking about it. You just took the money. That is corruption. You took the money, you chop it, you use it for other things. Then you try to promote other ladies' boutique things. But ambassadorial job, no, the man as ambassador to terrorism, no, you are not working on that. You are not using your platform to educate the society. The only thing that you know, say they come better to. Now one man now we shake sister. One you know sha. One ya kola being gift Adorye. One ya kola. One ya kola one sha. I can tell you vividly say, 50 be obenya. One sha. Stop deceiving yourself. You can choose to look beautiful. When our parents are about cosmetics enhancement, and that is your own cup of tea. But the way you are diverting yourself to know, it's not going to help you, and it's not going to help your children. I don't know if se ukunu twempna baby more thing, and now person we ya de man si ukunu mpana de ya. You are worrying yourself. Say binima abom yum belt, e bin then there was flat tummy and a year thing. Upon all the flat tummy now we nya any in. Now na shatawale ne we yala almost show ya kwase ya na odi nyama nema hyehye woto apart from say woto na wire na chi no o side and side no ase no phone bi hyehye wo ase batina hye sa emma ayi underwear ya na phone wom na emma omo hips no eyi no ni nyina show ye na oba powerful ade ana na ehyewa na wode woto eyi ewo. That is your own problem. But when you were never be why you were so calm down kakra. That is your own cup of tea. But to bra from kakra, humble yourself. Minim idea wo hunintia. This time around, oh my pressure. If you don't take care, you will end up losing everything.